Top of the morning to you. It's Thursday. It's the start of Masters Week, and we've got approximately 11 days left. Tax season's coming quick, and I wanted to give you guys a little heads up about what it looks like at the end of season. I'm not going to give you the inside look of what it looks like in my office because that's the proverbial S show. It's crazy. It's nuts. I always say hug a tax accountant is coming up, and that's kind of how it ends and how it finishes. But the deadline is April 18th this year, and April 18th is the deadline for money, folks. Money. There is no extension for money. So if you haven't done your taxes, don't reach out to the tax accountant. That's actually kind of rude at this point. Don't do that. Instead, go pay some money. Go pay some money. Go to irs.gov, go to your local state, send in a little money that you can afford to send in. You're going to get it back. You don't lose it when you give it to the government for extension payments. And then get an extension done. Now, this is where you probably could reach out to the administrator at the local tax office and go, could you file an extension for me, please? And they'll go, absolutely, we can do that. And then from there, that extension is going to avoid what we call the failure to file penalty. That's the big one. That's the reason why you file an extension, is because it is a giant penalty for failing to file, and that buys you 6 months to be able to file. There is a second penalty called the failure to pay penalty. There is no extension for failure to pay penalty. Money is due by April 15th. It happens to be April 18th this year due to holiday, but for most of the time it's April 15th. If we could get an extension for failure for paying, don't you think we all would? Absolutely. I'd be the first one in line there to try to get that extension. So nobody gets an extension on that. That is how it works. If you owe, they will penalize you if you don't pay. If you have a refund, congratulations. There is no such penalty when the government owes you money, because they obviously don't want you to file so they can keep it. And that's exactly what they do. So that's the skinny. So you got 6 months after an extension's filed to finalize the paperwork. Money is due on the deadline, and be nice to your tax accountants. All right, bye.